Breakdown of the M.B.U dual strike TSLL Playbook Strangle strategy explained in plain structured language without cutting corners. Objective. The goal here is to take advantage of both directions on a highly volatile stock, in this case TSLL. Instead of guessing whether it is going up or down, you position yourself on both sides so you can profit from whichever way it moves. This removes the need to predict direction and instead lets you trade momentum. Step 1. Initial setup. Ticker. TSLL chosen because it moves a lot and trades with strong volume, which means more price swings to capture contracts. 3. Call options expecting upside moves with a delta of at least 0.70, preferably 0.80. This ensures strong price movement in your favor when the stock moves. 3. Put options expecting downside moves with the same delta requirements. Max contracts, you never go above 6 total at any given time. This keeps risk under control. Sell zones. Every contract is set with profit-taking targets at 25%, 45%, and 70% gains. These act like checkpoints to secure profit as the trade moves in your favor. Step 2. Selling and DCA logic. When you sell a contract on one side, you immediately buy one on the opposite side. This is your dollar cost averaging move example. If a put sells at 25%, buy one call and set its sell target also at 25%. This keeps both sides balanced while using profits from one side to fuel the other. Step 3. Resetting average cost. Resetting average cost. Anytime you add to a position, your average cost changes. You must recalculate your profit targets based on the new average 25%. Target AVG cost times 125 45%, target AVG cost times 145 70%, target AVG cost times 170 100%, target AVG cost times 200. This ensures your profit levels are always accurate for your current position size and cost. Step 4. Replacement rule. Do not reload the same side right after selling it. If puts are selling, reload calls once calls start selling, then reload puts. This prevents overexposure on one side and keeps the play balanced. Step 5. Rinse and repeat. You simply keep rotating. Take profits at your set sell zones. Use those profits to DCA into the opposite side. Always respect the 6 contract max. Why? This works risk control. You never overload on one side. Profit recycling gains on one side fuel the other. Momentum trading. No need to guess. You win in strong moves either way. Add on for small accounts. If your account is smaller, start with a lower priced contract in the 30 to 50 delta range. As profits grow, scale into higher deltas for bigger moves. Expiration guidance. Always give yourself time, 3 to 6 months minimum. The extra time lets trades survive pullbacks without getting hurt by time decay. If you found this breakdown valuable, like, subscribe, and share so more traders can learn how to trade smart, control risk, and stack consistent wins. The more we spread this, the more people can escape guessing games and trade with a proven system.